Bien, let's go.
Good morning. Good AC, so temperature's so nice.
And if you have children, please watch.
Permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del banco. Y cuide a los pequeños.
Panchito! I am José Carioca! And this is... Story. I don't know. We must write it. The contract is ready. The other way. Excuse me. This way. Catch us on tour! We're watching for you! Viva Mexico! Remember to see it! See you again!